Class, today I am going to start exercise 4D, short answer question number 1. Please read the question. Find the distance of the point 1, 0, 0 from the line x minus 1 by 2 equals to y plus 1 by minus 3 equals to z plus 10 by 8. Also find the coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular and the equation of the perpendicular. So three things you have to find. Distance of the point 1, 0, 0 from the line given to you. Also you have to find the coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular, as well as you have to find equation of the perpendicular. Now class 12, see this one. Suppose that this is a line and line equation is given as, I am writing AB as a line name, and equation is x minus 1 by 2, then y plus 1 by minus 3, then z plus 10 by 8. This is a line and line equation given as x minus 1 by 2. This is a line, okay? And suppose that this is any point and L is perpendicular. This foot is L, okay? And P is given 1, 0, 0. Okay? So AB is a line and line is x minus 1 by 2 equals to y plus 1 by minus 3 equals to z plus 10 by 8. Okay? P is any point from P1 perpendicular is drawn and foot of the perpendicular is L. Okay, and coordinate of L we have to find. And P is given 1, 0, 0. Understood up to here? Now come back to the solution. Let AB equals to, first I am taking line name AB equals to x minus 1 by 2 equals to y plus 1 by minus 3 equals to z plus 10 by 8. After that I am let x minus 1 by 2 equals to y plus 1 by minus 3 equals to z plus 10 by 8 equals to t. Okay. Now when we will take the t as you have done in previous exercise, you will get x value. This 2 will go that side. 2t minus 1 will become plus 1. Again minus 3 will multiply with t. It will become minus 3t and plus 1 will come. It will become minus 1. 8 into t will give you 8t plus 10 will give you minus 10. So x value you are getting 2t plus 1, comma y equals to 3t minus 1, z equals to 8t minus 10. So x, y, z. Now you will ask what is x, y, z. So x, y, z we are getting this point after solving the given line. Okay. Now let L be the foot of the perpendicular. So I am taking L be the foot of the perpendicular. This is L. Okay. Now direction ratio of PN. P is 1, 0, 0. You can see picture. In the picture it is given P is 1, 0, 0. And L is, this L is nothing but x equals to 2t plus 1, comma y equals to minus 3t minus 1, comma z equals to 8t minus 10. You can ask why. Because AB is lying in AB, L point is lying. Okay, L perpendicular the foot of line in AB. It means that whatever x is there, we can take that one L point. That is why L is this and this. Now direction ratio of PN. You know the direction ratio formula: x2 minus x1, comma y2 minus y1, comma z2 minus z1. So I am writing P first. You can write L first also. LP you can write. It's upon you. I am taking first L. L is 2t plus 1. So I am writing 2t plus 1 minus sign x1 is, what is P? I am writing here. P is 1, 0, 0. So P is minus 1. Now y2 is minus 3t minus 1. So minus 3t minus 1 and y1 is 0. z2 minus z1. z2 is 8t minus 10. 8t minus 10 and z1 is how much? 0. So I am getting 2t minus 3t minus 1, comma 8t minus 10. This one I am getting direction ratio of LP, or you can say PL also. Now direction ratio of AB. This is the line AB and you know that direction ratio is this. Yes or no? So it is coming 2, minus 3, 8. If you forgot, please go to the last previous exercise or previous exercise. You will understand why I am telling 2, minus 3 and 8 are the direction ratio. Okay. Now direction ratio of LP I got, direction ratio of AB I got. Okay. Now it is as PL and AB is perpendicular, as PL and AB is perpendicular, both are perpendicular, PL is perpendicular to AB. So if both are perpendicular, then direction ratio A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0. You have done this formula. So A1 I am getting 2t and A2 I am getting 2. Now B1 I am getting minus 3t minus 1. B2 I am getting minus 3. C1 I am getting 8t minus 10. C2 I am getting 8. See, I have written. So 2t into 2, 4t. This one will multiply minus 3t into 3. Minus 3, 9, 9t. Minus 1 into minus 3, 3. And plus sign I will write as it is. Now plus sign I will put 8t into 8, 64. Plus minus minus 10 into 8, 8t. Now when you will add 4t, 9t, 64t, you will get 77t, and minus 8t plus 3 will give you minus 77. This minus will come, it will become plus 77, and this 77 will come down. 77 ones are 77 ones are. T equals to, you are getting 1. So coordinate of L. This one was the coordinate of L which I am getting from line AB, because L is lying on AB line. So if x value, y value and z value is this, it means it is the coordinate. Okay, coordinate of L. So coordinate of L is 2t plus 1 comma minus 3t minus 1 comma 8t minus 10. So what I will do in place of t, I will put 1. When I am putting 1, I am getting 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 2. So I got coordinate of L. It means that coordinate of root of the perpendicular. I am getting 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 2. Understood first part? Now they are saying you to find distance between 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 2 and 1 comma 0 comma 0, means perpendicular distance. Distance between this point to AB. So if this point is 1 comma 0 comma 0 and L you are getting 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 2, you can use distance formula, root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square formula. So same thing I am writing, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. I am getting 2 square plus minus 4 square plus minus 2 whole square. 2 square will give you 4, minus 4 square will give you 16, minus 2 square will give you 4. So 4 plus 16 plus 4 will give you 24. I have written here. So root over 24. When you will take the LCM, you will get 2 root 6. So 2 answer you got. First is coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular, which is L. You are getting 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 2, and distance between the point 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 2 and 1 comma 0 is 2 root 6 unit. Okay, right unit. One more thing you have to find. They are telling you to find the equation of perpendicular. Means you have to find equation of this perpendicular. Okay. So how you will find equation of this perpendicular? Now class 12. Equation of 1 comma 0 comma 0 and 3 comma minus 4 comma minus 2. You know that this is P. You can write here P, and this one we are getting L. So PL equation formula is when 2 points are given to you. X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equals to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So x1 is 1, x2 is 3, again x1 is 1, y you will write y1 is 0, y2 is minus 4, y1 is again 0, z1 is 0, z2 is minus 2, again z1 is 0. When you will solve, you will get x minus 1 by 2, y by minus 4, z by minus 2. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and 2 ones are 2. You will get x minus 1 by 1 equals to y by minus 2 equals to z by minus 1. So this you are getting in Cartesian form, but in the answer they have given in vector form. So to convert vector form, how we will do equation of perpendicular equals to a vector plus lambda b vector. From where you will get a vector? From P point. P is 1 comma 0 comma 0. So P vector, or you can write A vector will become I cap only because j and k is 0 0, so that is why we are writing I cap into 1 plus j cap into 0 plus k cap into 0 plus lambda. Since I have taken t already in the first part, that is why I am not taking again t, I am taking lambda, so I am writing lambda here. B vector is 1i minus 2j cap minus k cap. 1 into I cap minus 2j cap minus k cap. So I cap plus lambda, I cap minus 2j cap minus k cap will be your answer when answer is given in vector form. So what you will do, first you will find Cartesian point because 2 points are already you got. After that you will use this one to find vector form. Okay, complete this one. Class 12, see short answer question number 3. It is written, find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point 5, 4, minus 1 to the line r vector equals to I cap plus t 2I cap plus 9j cap plus 5k cap. Now in this question one point already given to you, which is 5, 4, minus 1, and one vector is given to you. At that time how you will find equation of find the length of the perpendicular? How you will find the length of the perpendicular when one point is given to you and one vector equation is given to you. Now at that time the formula is the distance of point P from the line AB with equation r vector equals to a vector plus tb vector is given by p vector mod of b vector into pq vector by mod of b vector, where q is any point on the line AB. Okay, so what we are finding? Length of the perpendicular. So you can write distance or length, you can write also both the same. Length of perpendicular, because if this is perpendicular, it is nothing but distance from this point, from point P to Q, and this one is AB. Okay, so first of all, when this type of question will given to you, you will use this formula to find perpendicular distance, or you can write length of perpendicular. Okay, anyone you can say. Now see, question number 3, short answer. P is given 5, 4, minus 1. Let P equals to 5I cap plus 4J cap minus K cap. We can do this one, you know this. Now R vector is given I cap plus lambda 2I cap plus 9J cap plus 5K. Now from here, if you will compare, R vector equation is A vector plus lambda B vector. So A is how much you are getting? I, and B is 2I cap plus 9j cap plus 5k cap. Okay, now I am writing, after that you can write Q is any point on AB line. Why? Because if this one is AB line and from point P it is coming like this, I am taking Q is any point on AB line. It means that go to that formula, this one R vector equals to A vector plus TB vector. You have written that A is passing through that point and B is parallel. If you forgot, please go to that one. You will understand why I am saying this, that Q is any point on AB and I am finding PQ. PQ is position of Q minus position of P. Now in place of Q I am writing I vector. Why? Because A vector is equals to I and Q is any point on line, means from Q it is passing. So I is nothing but Q. So you will write I cap minus P cap, you know, 5j cap plus 5I cap plus 4j cap minus k cap. When you will solve, you will get minus 4I cap minus 4j cap plus k cap. Okay. Now first you have to find B vector into PQ vector. So you know whenever you have to do cross. So plus 12, this one will be your 9, it is given 9. So B vector is 295, PQ vector you are getting minus 4, 1. So minus 4, 1. When you will solve this using cross multiplication, you will get 29 I cap minus 22 j cap plus 28 k cap. Now you have to find mod of B vector into PQ vector. So mod of b vector into pq vector root over 29 square plus minus 22 square plus 28 square. Okay, so 29 square will give you 841, 22 square will give you 484 plus 28 square will give you 781. When you will add, you will get root over 2109. Now you have to find mod of b vector. B vector is 2i cap plus 9j cap plus 5k cap, means you have to take mod of root over of 2 square plus 9 square plus 5 square. You will get 4 plus 81 plus 25, and when you will add up, you will get root over 110. So distance, or you can write length of perpendicular, anything you can write. It will formula is this, just put this one root over 2109 by root over 110, you will get whole root over 2109 by 110. Okay, I think so this point you will get confused why I am taking a vector I cap. This one you have understand, but why I am taking q as I cap, because q is any point on AB. If q is any point on AB, it means A is nothing but q. So you will write pq vector equals to q vector minus p vector. Understood this one? That is why we are writing. Okay, complete this one. Class 12C, question number 6. It is written, find the equation of the line passing through the point A 0, 6, minus 9 and B minus 3, minus 6, 3. If D is the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point C 7, 4, minus 1 on the line AB, then find the coordinate of D and equation of line CD. In this question, it is almost same as question number 1, but in this one, 1 of 3. What do you have to do? There are 3 points are given. A is 0, 6, minus 9, B is minus 3, minus 6, 3, and C 7, 4, minus 1. From point C1 perpendicular is drawn, which perpendicular foot of the perpendicular is D. It is written already. So equation of line AB. AB is a line, okay, and A is this and B is this. So equation of line will be x minus x1 by y2 minus y1 equals to y minus y. This one will be x2 minus x1 equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equals to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. So x1 is 0, x2 is minus 3, again x1 is 0. Y you will write as it is, y1 is 6, y2 is minus 6, y1 is 6, so minus 6, minus 6. Z you will write as it is, z1 is minus 9. So it will become plus 9, z2 is 3 and z1 is again minus 9, so minus minus will become plus 9. You will get AB x equals to x by minus 3 equals to y minus 6 by minus 12, z plus 9 by 12. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12. If you will take minus common, this one will become plus, this one will become plus and this one will become minus. Okay, so if you will do this one, so x equals by 1 equals to y minus 6 by 4 equals to z plus 9 by minus 4. Okay, that is why I am taking here 1 minus sign, so that it will be easy for me to solve. So if I just rub this minus sign, I have to give minus sign here. So now after this, let AB this line equals to lambda, means T we were doing in the last one, in this one I am doing taking lambda. So x equals to 1 into lambda, lambda by minus 6 by 4 equals to lambda. 4 lambda, 4 into lambda, 4 lambda minus 6 will become plus 6. So it will come 4 lambda plus 6. Now z plus 9 by minus 4 equals to lambda. Minus 4 will multiply with lambda, it will give you minus 4 lambda and plus 9 will give you minus 9. So x, y, z is the coordinate of dy because D is lying on the line AB. Okay, so from line AB we are getting x, y, z value, which is nothing but coordinate of D. In the last one I told you already, the last to last one, direction ratio of DC. Now C is 7, 4, minus 1 and D you you are getting lambda comma 4 lambda plus 6 minus 4 lambda minus 9. So direction ratio is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So lambda minus 7 because c is 7 comma 4 comma minus 1. Now y2 is 4 lambda plus 6 and y1 is 4, so minus 4. Now z2 is minus 4 lambda minus 9 minus 4 lambda minus 9 and z1 is minus 1 and one more minus is in formula, so it will become plus 1. You will get lambda minus 7 comma 4 lambda plus 2 comma minus 4 lambda minus 8. Okay, now you know that CD is perpendicular to AB. It means that direction ratio A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 equals to 0. So A1 value is 1 and A2 value you are getting. A2 means x minus 7. Direction ratio of CD or DC you can write. And AB direction ratio is how much? 1, then 4, then minus 4. Okay. If you want to write, you can write it there also. Direction, I am writing D dot R means direction ratio of AB is how much? 1, 4, minus 4. 1, 4, minus 4. So, if both are perpendicular, direction ratio of CD or DC is this one and direction ratio of AB is 1, 4, 4, then you can write, you can put A1, 1, A2 is lambda minus 7, B1 is 4, B2 is 4 lambda plus 2, C1 is minus 4, C2 is minus 4 lambda minus 8. When you will open the bracket and when you will add and subtract, you will get 33 lambda plus 33 equals to 0. Lambda equals to minus 33 by 33, 33 ones are 33 ones are, you will get lambda value minus 1. Now you have to find coordinate of D as well as equation of CD. Now coordinate of D is lambda comma 4 lambda plus 6 minus 4 lambda minus. Now I got lambda value which is minus 1, so I will put in this place, in lambda place I will get minus 1 comma 4 into minus 1 plus 6 comma minus 4 into minus 1 minus 1. When I will solve, I will get minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 5. In your book it is written 1 comma 0 comma 7, but answer will be this one. Okay, so in your book answer is wrong, so please correct that one. Minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 5. Now we have to find equation of CD. So equation of CD, 2 points you know. CD, it was like this. CD was 7 comma, C was 7 comma 4 comma minus 1 and D you are getting minus 1 2 comma minus 5. So you write minus 1 2 comma minus 5. So when you are finding CD, what you will do, in place of x1 you will put 7, in place of y1 you will put 4 and in place of z1 you will put minus 1. In place of x2 you will put minus 1, in place of y2 you will put 3 and in place of z2 you will put minus 5. When you will put, you will get x minus 7 by minus 1 minus 7 equals to y minus 4 by 2 minus 4 equals to z plus 1 by minus 5 plus 1. Plus it will become, because minus is here and here we have minus sign, so minus minus will become plus. When you will solve, you will get minus 8 minus 2 minus 4. Minus 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 will cancel. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 4. So you will get answer x minus 7 by 4 equals to y minus 4 by 1 equals to z plus 1 by 4. So this is your equation of CD and coordinate of CD is minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Okay, complete this one. Class 10, 12 your homework will be exercise 4D short answer question number 2 and 5. And if you have any queries regarding any question, you can mail me in the given email ID nilufar.sme@outlook.com and by tomorrow submit your homework. Okay, thank you.